Hello, I'm Alex Young of the Bowtie Group here with Cypress Homes. Here we are at our Kari model, a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, split bedroom ranch. Not only does it have a pocket office, but it has a lot more for you to fall in love with. Come on in, let's take a look. As you step inside the Kari model, one of the first things you're greeted with is going to be your own pocket office. Now, what most people don't realize with the pocket office is this is going to be a great place for you to keep your computer, your laptop, and your bills so it's not everywhere else in the house. Come take a look. As you step past your pocket office, you are stepping right into the heart of the home, your great room. Beyond the 9-foot ceilings, one of the things that the beautiful great room is going to do is going to connect the two parts of the home. So not only will you have the features of the stone fireplace, you'll have the 2 bedrooms off to one side and this beautiful kitchen and dining space that'll be finished off with the master suite right behind. As you step off the great room, you're going to be stepping right into your kitchen. A few features that are going to stand out to you, aside from the quartz countertop and stainless steel apron sink, is the abundant storage. Not only does this kitchen feature the 9-foot ceilings that the great room has, you have storage space running all the way to the top. To add some additional grandeur to the home, the dining space carries the 9-foot ceilings in a way you might not expect. Where most dining rooms have 8-foot ceilings, this one has a 9-foot tray to finish it off. As you step in from the garage into the Kari model, one thing that's going to be important is to not carry around dirty clothes and dirty shoes throughout the rest of the house. To keep your house clean, one way Cypress Homes does that is with the built-in storage and locker system with the shiplap finish. As one of the most overutilized and underappreciated areas of the home, your laundry space is going to be here on the first floor. Not only are you greeted with the patterned tile, but then you're going to have the usability and functionality of your first floor wash basin. Where some areas of the home may get overlooked by most other builders, Cypress Homes carries their design features throughout the entire area. Here on the first floor off the garage, we are in the powder room. One feature they carry through is going to be the shiplap finish that they used on this wall. As we step into the master suite, we are going to have 3 features that are going to be incredibly important for you as the owner of the home. One is going to be the views of outside and the natural light that's going to come into your master suite featuring the transom window. The tray ceiling will make it feel larger than life, and the separate walk-in closet and ensuite is going to give you everything you need to escape. Thanks for walking through the Kari model with me. You can find more information on this home and more at callcypresshomes.com.